How to fix Snapchat story not loading. Now, if you're facing this situation, the first thing that you can try out immediately is look or check for your internet connection and try to see if it is working or not. You can simply do that by running all the applications which do need internet as well. If you're facing this issue, you can try switching from your Wi-Fi or your cellular data. Now, if this is not the issue with you, the other thing that you can do is try to clear the app cache of Snapchat. So just tap and hold the app, head over to this eye icon, and then head over to storage, and then just tap on the clear cache option. Once you complete this step, make sure you remove the app of Snapchat from the recent app list, and then try to see if the issue is not fixed. If the issue still persists, you can look for new updates available for Snapchat. So open up the Play Store or the App Store, search for Snapchat, and if you do see new updates available, you can tap on the update button. What you can also do is try to restart your phone. Sometimes having glitches on your phone will also cause these sort of issues, so make sure you restart your phone as well. Lastly, what you can do is uninstall the app of Snapchat from your device and then again re-download it. By following these few simple steps, you should be able to fix the Snapchat story not loading error.